I'm gonna show you guys how to use goniometer to measure metatarsophalangeal joint flexion. So patient is gonna be a supine position. You can use the plastic one or the metal one to measure this, and I'm gonna use the plastic one. Axis is gonna be on the medial side of the MTP, and stationary I'm gonna go aligned with the metatarsal, and then moving arm is gonna align with the phalangeal. So he's gonna start with 0 degree, which is like super straight. Yep. And then I'm gonna have him to do flexion. So yep, you can call. Thank you. And he has about 55 degree.